Let's learn how to play Addition War. This is a modified version of the classic war card game. It is a fun way to practice addition math facts. This game is played by 2 players. Begin by distributing the card deck evenly. Do not look at your cards. For each round, players flip over the top 2 cards from their card pile. Player with the highest sum wins the round by collecting the open cards and placing them at the bottom of their card pile. If the sums of the flipped over cards match, players go to war. Each player picks 5 cards and places 3 cards face down and 2 cards face up. If the face up card is an action card, player needs to perform the action and pick the next card from the top of their card pile and place it face up. Player with the highest sum of the top cards wins the war round by collecting all the cards and placing it at the bottom of their card pile. Play ends when one player wins all the cards and wins the game.